avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, east central Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Clay County in northern Texas, northeastern Wichita County in northern Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Cookietown, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burkburnett, Randlett, Devol, Cookietown, Charlie, and Cashion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For east central